What is the percentage decrease from 80 to 60? So ang formula na gagamitin natin sa percentage decrease, formula for percentage decrease is equal to old minus new over old value. Old value minus new value over old. So ang old value ay 80, subtract lang natin, new value is 60 divided by old, so that is 80. So therefore we have 80 minus 60, we have 20 over 80. So we can reduce first to lowest term, divide both by 20, that is equal to 1 over 4, and then convert this in percent. So just divide 1 divided by 4, add 2 zeros. So therefore we have 0, 10 divided by 4 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, subtract, we have 2, bring down 0, 20 divided by 4, 5 times 4, 20. The correct answer is 0.25 or 25%. Letter B. Follow for more.